Good afternoon, dear students. Hope you all will be fine and doing great. Okay, so all of you have done your previous homework. If you have done, so yes, say yes in a chat box, right? Okay, bache, our today topic is vowel sounds. Be attentive, okay? Today topic is vowel sounds. Now let me tell you that what are vowel sounds. A vowel is a speech sound pronounced by blowing air out of mouth without any obstruction in the vocal tray. A vowel is a speech sound. बच्चे vowel हमारे पास जो होती है अल्फाज होते हैं. स्पीच साउंड यानी बोलने की अल्फाज होते हैं. प्रोनाउंस जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जिसकी हम तलफ़ुज़ करते हैं. बाय ब्लोइंग एयर आउट ऑफ माउथ. जब हम वोवल साउंड्स को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो हमारी जो वोकल ट्रैक है, द एयर कैम आउट फ्रॉम आवर वोकल ट्रैक. वोकल ट्रैक यू नो हमारी जो सांस की नाली है, ठीक है. तो हवा वहां से बाहर की तरफ निकलती है when we are pronouncing the vowel sounds. Clear? The 5 vowel in the English alphabets are alphabets हरूफ तहज्जी. इंग्लिश के हमारे पास जो अल्फाबेट्स है like from A till Z. So in all these alphabets we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. These all are vowel sounds, vowel letters, and when we come to the sounds, so then we will focus on the sounds like A. Look at the sound of A. A. A is giving us a sound of A. Okay? And E. E. E is giving a sound of E. I. A. Like A and I little bit similar. I. O. बच्चे प्रोनाउंस का मतलब है बोलना, तलफ़ुज़ करना. O and U. So these are vowel sounds. Clear? Now look at the second slide. A. Apple. A. E. I. O. U. These all are. But at the end, I will show you all the slides again. Now look at your screen and concentrate on your lecture totally. These all are vowel sounds. Clear? Now I'm going to show you vowels and consonants. Look at here. Look at the first 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and the remaining all are consonants, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonants. right? Now we have total 26 alphabets in English. We have 26 alphabets in English. In these 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and the remaining 26 are consonants. You can see that on your screen that there are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants. So the overall alphabets are 26, right? Clear to all of you? Okay. Now, look at the exercise. Vowel sounds. Read the given sentences and notice the use of words beginning with vowel sounds. Now, we are going to identify that which one would give us a vowel sound, whether these are words, these are articles, these are prepositions, whatever. Fine. So look at the first sentence. Ants are amazing creatures of Allah. Look at the first one word, ants. Ants. It gives us a sound of a. Ants. So it gives us a vowel sound, right? Now look at the helping verb are. Are is a helping verb. You know that is, am, are, these are helping verbs. So look at are. A. Again, it gives us a sound of vowel, a sound. Amazing. Amazing meaning heran kun. Amazing. It also gives us a sound of a. Okay? And a is a vowel sound. Creatures. Now look at this one word. K. Creatures. K. So k is not a vowel sound. This is a consonant sound, right? Now look at the preposition of. O. It gives us sound of O. Of. O. So this is a vowel sound. This gives us a vowel sound. Allah. A. It also gives us a vowel sound, right? Bache, why no screen? Aksa Harun, why you are saying that there is no screen? Check your internet connection, Shabash, hurry up. The screen is available to all of you, right? Check your connection. Look at the second one sentence. The children, no, again, children, ch, children, children, ch. Okay, so ch is not a vowel sound. This is a consonant sound, right? So, n, a. Again, it gives us a vowel sound, n. N is article. You know that a, n, and the. These three are articles. Keep it in your mind, okay? N, a. It gives us a vowel sound. Elephant, e. Elephant. It gives us e sound. This is a vowel sound, e. Okay? N. A. I ki sound. It gives us the sound of I. This is a vowel sound. The zoo. Z. Look at the word. बच्चे लिखना छोड़ दे अभी साउंड्स की तरफ कंसंट्रेट करें. First of all, identify that which one is a consonant and which one is a vowel sound. After then, you will write that. Look at the word the. ठीक है. So the is not a vowel sound. This is a consonant. Now again look at the word zoo. Z. It gives us a z sound. This is not a vowel sound. This is a consonant sound. Okay. Look at the third one sentence. They live in. Again vowel sound. And again vowel sound. Igloo. You know what is the meaning of igloo? Have you ever seen a house that is made from ice? In hilly areas, sometimes in movies, cartoons, dramas. So that is a type of house which is round shape and made from ice, but not all the time from ice. Okay? Yes, Zulkifl Khan 5th L. Igloo found ice areas. Well done, brilliant बच्चे, outstanding. इग्लू हमारे पास वो घर होते हैं जो बर्फ से बने होते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन समटाइम्स हमारे पास ऐसे भी होता है कि उसी शेप में हम ईंट से ब्रिक से भी घर बना सकते हैं igloo type shape में, ठीक है. You can find that on your Google if you want to see the picture of igloo. So go to Google and search igloo during the winter season. So in an igloo, these are vowel sounds and the remaining all are consonant sound. There is again sound of I and again sound of a octopus, again sound of O, in, sound of I. So these highlight all words give us vowel sound. Clear? He used. Now look at here. Used. Look at the word used. Here in the word used, the first letter is U. That is vowel, right? But it doesn't give us a vowel sound. Why? Look at here. Used, yo. It gives us a sound of yo. It gives us a sound of Y. So that's why it is not a vowel. And it gives us a sound. Umbrella. Now look at this. Umbrella. So here this is a vowel sound because it gives us a sound, right? While in the use, it gives us a yo sound, that is Y sound. So the used is not a vowel sound, while umbrella is a vowel sound. Clear? Because the one gives us Y sound and the other gives us a sound. Clear, bache? Okay. Now look at the next one slide. Underline the words that begin with vowel sounds. Okay. Now tell me, bache, screen is visible to all of you. Zulkifl, bache, screen is visible to you. Okay, well done. Acha. I have highlighted 4 words in the first sentence. So do practice of it, shabash. That the highlighted words are vowel sounds or not. If it is a vowel sound, so say yes in a comment box. If it is not a vowel sound, say no in a comment box. Shabash. Tell me that the first sentence is correct or wrong. Shabash. Zulkifl is saying that these are vowel sounds. Muhammad is saying that yes, ma'am. Hajra Ahmad says yes. Okay, brilliant. These all are vowel sounds. These all are vowels, giving us vowel sounds. Rida usually eats E sound and A sound, egg, egg. Okay, with bread in the morning. So the highlighted all giving us a vowel sounds, right? Now tell me about the second one sentence that the highlighted words are giving us a vowel sounds or not. What do you say about the second one? Alyan, you say no. Why? Alyan, bache, look at here. The woodcutter works with an A sound. X, again A sound. Right? So, A is a vowel sound, bache. Why you are saying that no? So, this is a correct one sentence. Okay? Now, look at the third one. My mother brought some oranges. My mother brought some oranges. Abdulaziz, you say no. Why? Look at the word oranges. It gives us O sound. This is a vowel. Okay? This is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. So we have to highlight these words, those words in a sentence which are giving us a vowel sound. Yes, bilkul. The fourth one is put some ice in the juice. Put some ice, I, in the juice. The highlighted all words gives us a vowel sound. Clear, bache? He was a, again vowel sound. Famous umpire. Look at here again, umpire. No, no, no. If words start A, E, I, O, U, then it will be vowel. ये कौन कह रहा है? जरा दिखाएं मैम. अच्छा बच्चे, जिसने भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, अब यहाँ पे नजर नहीं आ रहा मुझे, लेकिन मुझे नजर आया कि एक बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि मैं जो वर्ड्स हमारे पास ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू से स्टार्ट होते हैं, जुल्किफल. ओके जुल्किफल, लिसन केयरफुली. इफ अ वर्ड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, देन इट विल बी वोवल. नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपका बिल्कुल भी रॉन्ग है. मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया. यहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस नंबर 5 को आप देखो जरा. सेंटेंस नंबर 5 को आप जरा देखो. ही यूज्ड. यूज्ड हमारे पास यू से स्टार्ट हुआ है. अम्ब्रेला भी हमारे पास यू से स्टार्ट हुआ है. बट मैंने यूज्ड को हाईलाइट नहीं किया. क्यों? बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस वाई साउंड. यूज्ड, योर, वाई साउंड. ठीक है. while umbrella, it gives us a sound. ठीक है. So it doesn't matter that the words start from A, E, I, O, U, so it will be vowel. Sometimes the words start from U, but it's not a vowel. ठीक है. Now come back. Okay, we have 5 fill in the blanks regarding the poem. The first one is, the poet sees Allah in the dash at night. G, tell me. In the moon, in the sun, in the stars, in the clouds. Do you remember? The poet sees Allah in the dash at night. Well done. In the stars at night, Zulkifl, Muskan Amjad, brilliant. The second one is the poet says that the flowers dash into flame, that the flowers dry up, bloom, wither, fade, bloom. Yes, Aqsa, Muhammad Yasir, Hazra, Alyan. Yes, bilkul, bloom. The third one is the poet wants dash father's love, mother's love, a friend's love, Allah's love. Whose love a poets want? Allah's love, right? The fourth one is Allah is always dash the poet when she cries or smiles. Allah is always near the poet. Okay? The fifth one is when the poet needs a lot of care, Dash is always there. Her mother, her father, Allah, her brother. Allah is always there. Okay? Now, note down your homework. Write 10 words that begin with vowel sounds in your notebook. Okay? Homework is that you have to write 10 words, but that words must start from vowel sounds. And inshallah, tomorrow before starting our lecture, I will ask you and you will have to send me that 10 words in a chat box. Clear, bache? So take great care of yourself and do practice of vowel sounds. Allah Hafiz.